So just finished up with a house call, and it just begs something very powerful that I'm reminded of when I walk in and when I leave. When I walk in, all I have is a notebook. And it's like in this evolution of even me as a practitioner, no matter what the symptom of healing or injury is, where's the tools? Where's the equipment? Where's the testing equipment? Where's the diagnostics? And I'm showing up to somebody's life, and I'm showing up to their home or their place of business, or like a house call would be. And they used to carry doctor's bags, right? You'd have a doctor's bag. Even they gave them to us. We could purchase at chiropractic school. And it was like my doctor's bag is their entire being inside their home, in their living space, with their people or their animals or their plants or their space. And then we're using everything around their life to go into their story and help bring an understanding of why a body would respond this way and their next step. And there's an element that when you do this, when the doctor's bag ends up being their life and their drawers and their dressers and their beds and their feet and their clothes, what ends up happening is this massive amount of empowerment during a time when, as I said in that love post, when you are symptomatic, when you're injured, you already feel like you're not worthy. You already feel you're not enough. You don't deserve to feel good, or you don't deserve things you love or love. And so to have an approach be where everything you need is already in and around, you already have access to it all, becomes this, wait, this is here. I can do this. I have this. Yes. This is where I can go and I can see and I can break this down. Yes, it's already here. Oh my God. And the empowerment, the confidence, that's part of gaining trust with the body. The body already owns the confidence in you. It's us being able to trust it and have confidence in itself, and trust is earned. And how do we get this? You repeatedly, over and over, get tested and you go towards it. That's why we have so many symptoms, and we'll have a life of them and a life of injuries of varying degrees, is to keep building this trust. But something that ends up happening as a common denominator when you end up leaving a house call or showing up to a house call, it's this idea of understanding and acknowledgement of, wait, I have everything here to go into every inch. I already have, oh my gosh. Instead of somebody leaving with this, this big, huge apparatus or all this testing equipment, all this material, all these things, that it just ends up being so complicated. And as I said, your symptoms and injuries aren't for a practitioner, they're for you. They're for the person. And so the doctor's bag ultimately is the entirety of everything you are and everything you have, even the people that you share with. And so that is something I want you to deliberate on, because it doesn't have to be a house call, or it doesn't even have to be me, but whatever it is, your body is doing it for you, and it's doing it to show you and bring you back towards the truest version of you, to look towards your life, towards the things you love, being obedient to your body's responses and to the symptoms and to the injuries. But understanding that you already have access to everything is this huge level of freedom and lightness and confidence and trust and assuredness inside a being where we've been programmed, and psychologically we will go where we don't trust ourselves. We don't trust our body. We keep reverberating back to body is against us. It's an enemy. It needs to have war inflicted on it. And we need to control it and manipulate it and beat it. And if not, it's gonna beat us back. And it couldn't be further from the truth. There's just no proof of that at all in anybody's day, no matter what the case is. So it's, again, a house call always reminds me of that, because I go in with a notebook, I leave with a notebook, and it doesn't matter whether it was a 2-hour visit or a 6-hour visit. It's every inch of everything they're willing to open up in there, they have access to already. And then the understanding and the confidence and the eyes shift and the glow comes back in, and it's inspiring. And then also a reminder that I have that as well. I have my own doctor's bag for my own life. Because again, no matter what the symptoms are and injuries that I experience, I still get to go through that period where it's, I don't deserve this, or I'm going to cut out the things I love until I feel better. Like, wait. So we will always revisit that. But you have everything you need. Now get to work. Next step is blind. Always.